What's up, home bartenders? Still not sure what to make for Valentine's Day? Well, I'm going to show you how using a simple strawberry liqueur, you can turn pretty much any classic cocktail into something special for Valentine's Day. And it doesn't even need to be strawberry. Anything red, sweet will work. You got raspberry liqueur, you got cherry liqueur. It'll work. You'll make a great cocktail for Valentine's Day. So let's turn 3 classic cocktails into strawberry cocktails, perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's do it.
All right, starting things off with a strawberry caipirinha. Let's make it. So we're gonna start with about half a lime. I'm actually doing just a quarter lime because mine were pretty huge, but we're gonna chop that into chunks. We also want about 2 regular sized strawberries and about a bar spoon of sugar. Depends how sweet you like it. I don't like it too sweet, and the strawberries are gonna add sweetness as well, so don't go crazy. We're gonna muddle all of that together until you've extracted all the juice from the strawberry, from the lime, and most of the sugar has been dissolved. To that, we want to add 2 ounces of cachaça. I'm using LeBlanc cachaça, and ooh, there goes my bottle. Time for a new one. But whatever cachaça brand you have will work. And then we're going to do just a half an ounce of our strawberry liqueur. That's the star of the show today, strawberry liqueur, but we're only using half an ounce here because we do have some muddled strawberry as well. So there's gonna be lots of flavor in there. All right, whether you're using crushed ice or regular ice, get ice in the glass. I don't always crush my ice for a caipirinha. I think it is traditional, but either way. Give that a good stir, try not to spill all your ice. And stir until the drink is nice and chilled. We're gonna garnish with a strawberry. You could also do a lime wheel or lime wedge. And there is our strawberry Caipirinha.
The strawberry caipirinha. So if you guys saw the Drinking Buddies Valentine's Day live stream the other day, I made a couple of these. Oh, man, that is so good. Caipirinhas are one of my favorite summertime cocktails. You add strawberry to it, it sweetens it a tad and adds that wonderful strawberry flavor, which works so well with the cachaça, that funky, grassy, rum-like quality. It's fantastic. Oh, I could crush this in like 2 minutes. So good.
Up next, we have a strawberry mule. And yeah, I love my mules. You guys know that. So in a copper mug, get some ice in there. We're starting with vodka for this one, but you don't have to use vodka. You could use rum, you could use bourbon, whatever you want. 2 ounces of vodka. I know my jigger was on the 1 ounce side, but I did add a second one. I don't know why I just didn't put it in the video. And then we're gonna add 1 ounce of our strawberry liqueur. You could use a strawberry syrup here if you don't have the liqueur. It's gonna add just as much sweetness. We could also muddle some strawberries, but I'm not gonna do that for this one. We're gonna do half an ounce of lime juice. And then we're gonna do, well, we're gonna top it off with our ginger beer. I love these little cans of Canada Dry ginger beer because it's like almost the perfect amount to put in in your copper mug, so that's great. All right, garnish with a nice strawberry fan.
The strawberry mule. I mean, you guys know that I love mules, so not a stretch to think that I'm gonna like this one. If you're new to the channel, I did 100 mules in 100 days a couple years ago. You can see the highlight in this video right here, or you can just check out the playlist of 100 shorts. But let's get into this one. So the strawberry, even though it has a full ounce of strawberry liqueur, it is a little subdued because ginger beer is just so potent. It adds a little extra sweetness to the mule. And don't think you have to use vodka to make this. You can make a bourbon mule with strawberry. There's actually one that I did during my 100 days. I think it was the Tennessee Berry Mule, which had not just strawberries, but strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, muddled, and then add some Tennessee whiskey, Jack Daniels, and then add that to your mule with your ginger beer, and that was really good. So muddled fruit in this one definitely will pronounce that strawberry flavor more than it is right now, but then you have to strain the muddled fruit out, and you know, it's an extra step. So this alone is fantastic. 2 strawberry liqueur classic cocktails down, guys. We've got 1 more to go. But before we get to it, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you get notified when we release new content. We got 1 more.
All right, the last one here is a strawberry sidecar. So pretty basic. We're going to do a classic sidecar. We're just going to replace the orange liqueur with a strawberry liqueur. So starting with our 2 ounces of cognac. You don't have to use a fancy cognac. Any brandy will do. But I like my Courvoisier. After that, 1 ounce of our strawberry liqueur. Now, seeing as this strawberry liqueur is sweeter than your typical Cointreau or dry Curacao, it is going to be a sweeter sidecar. Unless you typically use triple sec for your sidecars, in which case it'll be about triple secs are pretty sweet, so it's going to be pretty sweet as well. So we got some lemon juice in there, and then we're going to shake this bad boy up with some ice, crazy face, and then we're going to serve in a stemmed glass. These are my favorite sidecar glasses. And we're not going to do a sugar rim because it's going to be sweet enough, and garnish with a strawberry slice.
The strawberry sidecar. I'm a huge fan of sidecars, so this is going to be great. Just bright, lemony cognac up front. So you get the citrus and the cognac, which is what you traditionally get in a sidecar up front. And the strawberry is toned down, but the sweetness and that strawberry flavor comes in afterwards and then kind of lingers on the finish. It is sweeter than a traditional sidecar because strawberry liqueur is sweeter. Depends how you make your sidecars. I make my sidecars with Cointreau, and I do a 2-1-1 ratio. So I put a lot of lemon. So it is quite, my sidecars are quite dry, which is why you do want that sugar rim. I didn't do it here because the strawberry liqueur is sweeter than Cointreau. But if you're using a sweet triple sec when you make your sidecars, it might be just as sweet. It's rating time. In first place, I'm gonna give it to the strawberry Caipirinha. It's just so good. Caipirinhas are amazing, and add that strawberry to it, and it just really does elevate it and make it a better drink. In second place, gonna give it to the strawberry Mule. I just can't say no to a Mule. I absolutely love mules. I would probably be better with bourbon or JD as opposed to vodka, and then just ramping up the strawberry flavor by muddling some strawberries. Yeah, I think would work better, but the way I made it, still very good. And in third place, gonna give it to the strawberry sidecar. Very nice combo. The cognac, the strawberry, it just works really well together. All right, guys, I enhanced these 3 cocktails for Valentine's Day using my strawberry liqueur, but you don't have to make these. You can make a strawberry martini, a strawberry Manhattan, a strawberry old fashioned. Anything, you just use your strawberry liqueur wherever you want and make an awesome Valentine's Day cocktail. All right, if strawberry is not your thing, we made some rose cocktails recently, so check out this video for some rose flavored cocktails for Valentine's Day. Otherwise, we have a whole playlist of Valentine's Day cocktails. Check out this playlist right here. We will see you in the next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Cheers.